at the size of that spider. See who I am. Near a shelter, how cool is that? Cool. Hi everyone, so that was a permission visit. I literally went down there, found it and spoke to the guy and just said kindly can I just check it out because it was owned by him on his private land. And he was like, yeah, just be careful. So I'm not going to name where this is. All you need to know is it's in Surrey. But the most important thing was that I documented it. It was a very brief documentation. Obviously you can understand that I was sort of under a sort of very strict timed visit down there because the poor fella was waiting outside for me and didn't want to sort of be rude and overstay my welcome down there. They've cleared it all out, so it's extremely clean inside. He said to me they're not exactly sure what they're going to do with the air raid shelter. And when I asked him for information on it, because I knew it was a Second World War air raid shelter, but under the context, there was no context behind it. So normally you get an air raid shelter which is near factory buildings or anything. I mean, the only thing that I can surmise is that it's near a railway station. But then even then, it's difficult to surmise without really sort of going through it. And because of the literal lack of information, and even for the owner to not know much about it, probably says a lot about the actual air raid shelter itself. I know it was a very short air raid shelter video for you, but however, it's been documented now. There's a chance that I think he's going to sort of get rid of it. If that's the case, fair enough, it's his land. And then the building that you saw behind, I don't really want to sort of talk too much about that without sort of giving too much away, but it's not as interesting as you think it is. So I didn't record it. Because it just really, actually the historical context of it was really nothing. The condition of the building was rubbish, literally rubbish. And that's it. So that was another amazing air raid shelter in Surrey. Second World War, that's the only thing that I know about it. Literally searched for information on this place and there's nothing. And for the owner to even not exactly know says a lot about it. But however, it's been documented for about 2 and a bit minutes long, you know, but yeah, cracking condition. You saw the inside of it, you saw the escape hatch, which has obviously been sealed for safety. And apart from, I think you didn't see me walk down into it, but I think you saw me walking up. So yeah, anyway, take care for now and see you all very soon. Bye.